If the pin post option is not visible on Instagram, it could be due to several factors, including app settings, account type, or feature issues. So here's how you can resolve this issue. You have to first update your Instagram application. For that, go to Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Instagram application, and if you see an update button highlighted in blue color instead of open, tap on it to update it to its latest version. You also have to check your account type. For that, open Instagram, and the pin post feature is generally available for personal and business accounts, and it may not be available for creator accounts. So you can go to Settings, and once you're here, scroll down and then go to Account Types and Roles. Then switch your account to personal or business account. If you have creator account, you can switch to business or personal account by selecting Switch Account Type and check if the pin post option appears after switching. The ability to pin post is currently only available on Instagram mobile app, that is iOS and Android. It can't be done on desktop or browser, so make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram application on your phone. You can also try verifying the post compatibility. Not all post types can be pinned. Ensure that you're trying to pin a regular feed post like photo, video, or carousel. And remember that some reels and stories cannot be pinned. Ensure that you're attempting to pin a photo or video from your main feed. You can also try clearing the app cache. In Android, go to your settings, or you can directly access it by tapping and holding on to the Instagram application. Tap on the eye icon in the top and then scroll down and go to Storage. Click on Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, restart Instagram and check for the pin post option. You can also try logging out and log back in. Then after reinstall Instagram, tap on Uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and then reinstall it using your Play Store or App Store. Now, if the pin option is still missing, try pinning a different post. There may be an issue with a specific post, so test it with a new or another older post. And if Instagram is gradually rolling out features, or if there is any temporary issue, the feature may not be available for some accounts or devices. So stay informed about the new announcements from Instagram and be patient and check back periodically to see if the pin post feature becomes available. So this was all about it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the pin post option not showing on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.